Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. It's a Polygon mask that you can use on the edit page. It's an effect. I'm going to mask out a few things here. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on it, make it look all that great for the sake of the tutorial. But when you download it, go to Effects, look for SDS, Edit Page Polygon. Drop it in your timeline, or you can use an adjustment clip. And to use this, it's not like my other trackers that I had with the tracking mask. It's like that little arrow. Turn the Fusion overlay on. And close the loop. And then if you right click on the screen, you have all your controls that you really need here. I'm going to highlight everything and then right click and smooth. You can also go to the modify only tool. That way you won't put any extra points in your line, but you can still edit it. I'm going to grab another one. It'll be all the way at the bottom right. Close the loop. Now is when you're going to want to use the modify only tool. And smooth them. You can also uncheck the solid and you have a border. You can animate it, position, and color. All right, we'll do another one. Again, all the way at the bottom. Highlight them, right click, and smooth. And one more. Again, it'll be at the bottom. And there's a toggle button here. You can turn it on and off. If you want to see what's going on. I'm going to put that on the modify only so I don't mess things up. You can also use your keyboard and use the arrows to move it around. Oh, it's good enough for the tutorial. You have the idea. This is a video. Don't forget, the free preset is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.